Looking for a chainsaw sharpeners? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 chainsaw sharpeners available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect chainsaw sharpeners for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Oregon 410-120 chainsaw sharpener. If you are an occasional chainsaw user that requires a chain sharpener for occasional use, the Oregon 410-120 is a great choice, and its performance will never disappoint you. You can mount it on either a bench or wall, which makes it quite convenient. And it will sharpen chains with a pitch of up to .404. This top-rated chainsaw sharpener comes with a built-in light to make it easy to see what you are doing, and it uses a one-way motor. The two features combine to provide a significantly safer operation. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Buffalo Tools X Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. With a grinding speed of 4,200 RPM, you can be confident of fast chain sharpening and hence minimal downtimes when using the X by Buffalo Tools. It is also a highly versatile chainsaw sharpener that is designed to adjust to the design of almost any chain type, and so it will be very useful for those with different chainsaw types. Although many users will end up mounting it on a workbench, it is also mountable on walls or vies to make it more convenient to use. This 85-watt chainsaw sharpener will plug into a standard 120-volt power outlet, and so you will not need to make any special power connections. At number 3 on our list, we have the Stihl 2-in-1 Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener. For those that do not have a lot of experience sharpening chainsaws and are looking for something that will not give them a hard time to use, the Stihl 2-in-1 file is a great buy. It is designed to sharpen both the tooth and depth gauge at the same time, and this helps to speed up the sharpening process and deliver more consistent results. The tough, well-designed and sturdy construction makes this one of the best manual chainsaw sharpeners out there. And it is also quite lightweight to make it a highly portable chainsaw sharpener for carrying around when working with your chainsaw. At number 4 on our list, we have the Granberg G106B bar-mounted chainsaw sharpener. Granberg G106B is an excellent product for users on the hunt for a professional chainsaw sharpener, and this is despite the fact that it is a manually operated sharpener. If you have some little experience sharpening chainsaws and set it up well, you can expect to get edges that are almost as good as what you would get from the electric chainsaw sharpener. This relatively affordable sharpener is made with die-cast aluminum and zinc-plated steel, and so you can be sure of getting many years of service. It is designed to mount on any saw, and it will hold any file size to work on standard chain pitches and lowering depth gauges. Also, it has calibrated swivel markings to help ensure it sets and holds the correct sharpening angle. At number 5 on our list, we have the Drixit Chainsaw Sharpener and Filing Kit. This Drixit sharpening and filing kit is designed for those that do not use chainsaws a lot and only need soothing for occasional sharpening. It is a manual chainsaw sharpening kit that comes with everything you need to sharpen various types of chains. The kit includes both round and flat files, a hardwood handle, a guide and handy tool pouch that will make the piece easy to organize and store. It is the cheapest item on our chainsaw sharpener reviews, and so it will be a good buy for users shopping on a tight budget. At number 6 on our list, we have the Oregon 511AX chainsaw sharpener. Although this automatic chainsaw sharpener is the priciest on our list, you will get what you pay for, as it is also a highly efficient sharpening tool. It runs on a more powerful 3-amp motor that delivers enough power to the grinding wheels for fast and more efficient sharpening. The chainsaw sharpener comes with some easy-to-use controls that make it simple to use even for beginners. And it has 3 different grinding wheel thicknesses, which are 1/4, 1/8 and 3/16 inch. At number 7 on our list, we have the Timber Tough CS12V portable electric chainsaw sharpener. As long as you have a car or anything that has a battery like a lawnmower, you can use this handy 12 volts chainsaw sharpener to restore your chainsaw's edge. This battery-powered sharpener comes with 3 grinding stone sizes to make it ideal for a variety of chain sizes, and it is also lightweight and highly portable. It is made with an anti-aging and anti-impact cover that helps to increase its lifespan and will stay cool when the sharpener is in use. At number 8 on our list, We have the Timberline with 7/32" carbide cutter chainsaw sharpener. If you prefer a cordless chainsaw sharpener, this one from Timberline with its carbide cutter will impress you as it delivers fast and highly precise sharpening results. This manual chainsaw sharpener will sharpen the chain while it is still on the saw, which can be very convenient when you do not have a lot of time to spare for sharpening. The tungsten carbide cutter is also tuned by hand using the built-in handle, and this also helps with ease of use and speeds up the sharpening. The carbide guides on this chainsaw sharpener are fixed at a universal 30-degree angle, which will suit most chains, but you can still get 25 and 35 degrees guide if you want. At number 9 on our list, we have the Stremapowerus Mini Electric Chainsaw Sharpener. For an electric chainsaw sharpener, the Stremapowerus Mini is as affordable as they get, and you will hardly get anything better without spending more cash. It runs on a relatively more powerful 85-watt motor that delivers speeds of up to 4,200 RPM for fast and more efficient sharpening. This highly affordable chainsaw sharpener is bench-mounted to provide a more stable base for sharpening. And it comes with a pivoting head and adjustable vise angles both to the right and left for more versatile sharpening applications. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Regan 30846 Sure Sharp Chainsaw Sharpener. Here is another portable chainsaw sharpener that you can use to sharpen your chainsaw from almost anywhere, provided you have any 12 volts battery. It is an easy-to-use chainsaw sharpener that comes with 2 different sharpening stone sizes for increased versatility. And it also includes quick adjusting sharpening guides that will help ensure you always get uniform and consistent edges. The built-in depth gauge is also quite handy, and you can be confident of using this tool for long thanks to the high-impact motor house that makes it highly durable. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.